Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.